Morning, morning, morning. Who's happy on those Microsoft and Meta swings? I am. I am. I'm very happy because I hate trading days like today. I hate trading days like you have a huge gap above and then you have a gap below to get filled, but the market is so strong that you don't want to play the downside. But I feel like if I keep playing the upside, I'm gonna get burned. So I hate days like today. But I'm pretty happy that I have Meta and Microsoft, which I'm gonna take some profit at the open. Yeah, at open, I'm taking profits there, locking a little more profit on Microsoft, and I'm taking a bunch of profit on my main account on Meta. 390 is the level to watch on Meta. If you can break 390 and use it as a board, it's up to go higher and higher. Well, yeah, you guys have my levels on my Discord. Um, Everything that I'm watching for today. Let's go through that a little bit. Um, mm, mm, mm. My watch list. I changed these to my watch list so it's easy for you to see it. So I have my levels on Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and IWM. Microsoft and Meta are not gonna play them, but I know it can give you a very good opportunities to enter uh, some upside continuation, maybe for next week's contracts. But we'll see. Maybe Microsoft. Well, we'll see. Um, I'm watching Amazon because it finally broke 157. Well, yeah, you guys have my watch list there. That's what I'm looking to trade today. You guys also have my SPY and the Q levels, which is SPY and the Q right now is very difficult to trade, at least for me, unless it gave us it like both move back down and fill the gaps. If not, I don't know what to trade there. But I hate when you have moved like that overnight or pre-market. I'm honestly I'm here only to see Meta breaking 390. Mm. I think as long as Meta can hold 390 as support, that's extremely bullish. And for SPY and the Q, it's either wait for a pullback to the gap fill or a break of pre-market high. Apple 195 hold. That's what you want to see. What else? Oh, Amazon 157. Take this out. And IWM 197, 196, 60. We want to see it holding there. Morning, morning. Morning, morning. I don't know because never ever looked for NQ or oh no, wait, yeah. I have. I have seen ES going higher or lower and SPY going to the other way, but I had contracts on ES and it was following, the contracts were following SPY. And I was confused. I had. Julio, I had. And I thought that was extremely weird. Like, it was weird that I was looking ES going one way, SPY going the other way, but my contracts were moving with SPY, which I still don't know. I still don't understand that. Microsoft definitely weak. Let's see if it's gonna hold 400. Around 400, it's my level. That's basically previous day high, previous all-time high. Is behind the queue going for the gap? Maybe. Okay, this is your opportunity to enter Microsoft. I'm not gonna take it, but that's the entry on Microsoft. I'm not gonna get it because I'm still on runners. I still have runners on Microsoft and Meta, but it's a little bit risky because you have the queue kind of weak, but I do like that it's holding so far 400, and you have also Apple holding 195 support. So if you want to take that play, that's the only one so far that I like. You can have a stop loss. I will buy for next week, and I will have a stop loss around yesterday high. I think both Apple and Microsoft are the ones that I looked to play the upside. But I don't love anything at this moment because the queue is having trouble here and it's under the VWAP. What time is PMI? — 9:45. Oh yeah, definitely. I'll wait for that. But I can see it getting very heavy here. I mean, if we got the pullback and fill the gap on SPY in the queue, that would be like perfect. That would be my perfect entry. But this is a huge, huge gap on SPY. I don't know if we're gonna have it. But SPY's tempting me here for to play the downside. Yeah, Microsoft is looking fantastic. But it's better to wait. Let's just wait. Wait for that PMI data. So, but so far I like Microsoft and Apple. Mm, 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 mm. Damn it. I gotta wait for that PMI, but I want to enter Spy to the downside. Yeah, Netflix. I will wait. I never play. I like to wait on for at least 1 or 2 days to play earnings. It's going higher, but I bet the IV and premiums are very high also. So I know Netflix is. We're gonna have a opportunity to play that one either tomorrow or Friday or next week. Yeah, I don't want to pay $800 for a contract on Netflix. Meta holding here, holding this support here, 388. That's the level also, 388 on Meta. Beautiful Microsoft. So bullish. So we'll see, we'll see. 1 minute for PMI, like 30 seconds. Thirty seconds. What do you mean? What's my upside on Microsoft? Microsoft, it's at all-time high pretty much, so you have no resistance. You have no resistance on Microsoft. You have no resistance on, I think, Meta too. Let me see, Meta. It's at all-time high also. Don't remember. Let's see. Yep. So you have no resistance. I'm looking to play either the Q or Spy because I like how Apple is holding 195 and I like how also Microsoft is holding very good. I like how the Q is holding, but just like yesterday, Spy is under the VWAP. It looks exactly like yesterday. We had the Q holding. It's also under the VWAP, but it's looking way better than Spy. Spy is having trouble under the VWAP. And what happened yesterday with that? We had a gap below. Spy was having trouble going above VWAP. So, and the Q was holding very good the entire morning. But at the end, which one won? Like we have Spy dragging the market down, like dragging the Q down. Okay. Let's see. Think gonna start selling here, like playing short on SPY if I see Apple losing 195. Watch out. Yeah, I'm gonna start adding here on playing the downside on SPY. This is looking just like yesterday. As long as the SPY it's under these levels, it's bearish. That's it. This is pretty much a pre-market low based, so it can easily bounce here. Let's see. So we have kind of like this little support. This is so weird. It's just like yesterday. We have some like tech going higher, SPY going lower. Every trader you see, maybe because trading is like being sitting on your computer for hours, and this way you save time doing cardio, and yeah, you don't get fat. Max speed? No. I try to go a little bit faster, but it's a little bit difficult to speak if you go too fast. I'm just walking, enjoying the ride. If you like Forex, I think you're on the wrong stream. I don't trade Forex. I don't know if it's better. I think every single different type of trade has its own like good things and bad things. I personally don't think Forex is better because Forex you have a bunch of like prop firms that are not regulated. So you don't want to put money on that. But I don't care. So I don't do Forex. But trading, I think you if you're good at reading charts, you can trade anything. Like you can give me Forex and I'm pretty sure I can trade Forex. Only cry about Microsoft if loses 400. I'm looking this Apple. Apple is fighting 195. So I think if Apple loses 195, the market is gonna go lower. It's gonna give us I think it could give us a bigger pullback if Apple loses 195. So far, Microsoft is looking fantastic. And the Q also, the Q looks like it wants to boom boom. But I don't know, this spy in the Q charts looks exactly like yesterday. So we'll see, we'll see. Spy is still fighting there. Amazon lost 157. That was the level that I was talking about on my watch list. Like it's been fighting 157 for so long, and when I saw pre-market gapping up, I thought it was gonna hold that level as support, but now it's under it. So it means Amazon is being very weak compared to the entire market. So if you guys want to play any shorts, Amazon under 157, if you see the market like pulling lower, this one it's a good, that will be my first like main watch for to play the downside if I'm not playing SPY or the Q. I like that reaction there. But I need SPY to lose this little support here. Yeah, I'm gonna say something like that. Okay, come on, Apple, die. Come on, SPY, just die. Here. Need you to lose that support. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, I like that. Love it. Love it. Love that move. Go, go, go. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to log a little bit of profit here. Okay. Keep going. Give me a little bit more. I want Apple to go to yesterday's low around 193.89. Ooh, that was a perfect entry there. Pretty happy with that trade so far, how it's going. For Meta, we want to see Meta holding VWAP there. And the Q looks like a bear flag. Ooh, I don't like that. So I'm gonna sell more there. Nvidia, yeah. Like, okay, I understand that you guys want to trade like Nvidia or Netflix because it's giving you FOMO. But you're gonna have so many opportunities to play those, especially Netflix. Nvidia, it's crazy. Like Nvidia is only going higher and higher and higher. But Netflix, we're gonna play Netflix most likely next week or Friday. Okay. Are we gonna move all the way down to the gap? I hope so. I definitely hope so. I'm selling one more there. Amazon most likely doing a break and retest of 157. 1 break and retest of 157 most likely on Amazon. And now those three micros that I have there, I think I'm just gonna hold them unless the SPY goes back up over VWAP. So you guys, this is exactly like yesterday. The same exact play. Um my stops, you said, yeah, everything is based mostly on the daily chart. 157 on Amazon so far. It looks like it's working out that break and retest. So weird that Meta and Microsoft are holding higher with SPY going lower. That Microsoft was perfection. Perfect. Look, that was too easy. Look, it gave you a pullback, previous all-time high. You have this type of candlesticks, which it can give you like it gives you like a long wick at the bottom. I will say this is bullish because you have a hard reaction of support on support, and then you have this. But it's a little bit difficult because you have a SPY doing this. But just technically, that was extremely easy trade. Just looking at the chart of the TA. And here, if the SPY rejects this level, that can be an easy also break and retest. Can go a little bit higher here. Yeah. Then the same with Meta. Meta gave you exactly the same thing as um Microsoft. Like trading can be so easy sometimes. Mm, 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 mm. And if we see SPY like being super bullish here using VWAP as support, I'll be looking to play the upside on the Q because the Q it's been holding better than SPY. And we can see tech is very strong today. If you feel like you want to play the downside, play this break and retest. And your stop loss will be if this candlestick it's a engulfing candle, or yeah, like the VWAP here could act as a rejection point, and that will be bearish. How you guys doing so far? Like we have like killer trades today. We had Microsoft, we have that short on SPY, we have Meta. What else? And it's only 30 minutes until the market open. Since the market open. Microsoft and Meta flying. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Are we gonna have a break and retest here to keep going lower? Let's see. This is so weird. Like, okay, so as long as the spike is making lower high and lower low, and it's going with the trend, and it's under the VWAP, that's pretty bearish, right? So so far I have no reason to sell my three runners on my futures trade. And for Microsoft and Meta, they keep going higher and higher, doing higher high and higher lows. So far I have no reason to sell all my runners here on Microsoft and Meta. So one is going against the other one. But now I'm more bullish than bearish because I think it depends how the 30-minute candle is gonna close here on SPY. But yeah, I can see how Everything, all tech are holding very good. Apple is holding 195. Um, and the Q is looking pretty bullish. And if this 30-minute candle closes with this long wick like that, that's extremely bullish. I'm gonna wait and see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close to maybe add to my short or just get out. Mm. We need this 5-minute candle to either close a strong hold above VWAP, that would be very bullish, or closing with a long wick at the top, rejecting the VWAP. So which one is gonna be? Mm, mm, mm. Still have no confirmation. Ooh, that's the one. Okay, got out there. What was that move? That was weird. Are you serious? Okay. If the Q holds the support here, I'm playing the upside. And if the SPY closes with 30-minute candle like that, that's extremely bullish. Microsoft. Microsoft was, it's perfection. Look at that. Look at that. So easy. Who got to Microsoft? I hope at least one of you was able to get into Microsoft, or at least holding runners from yesterday. Damn, Apple. Apple going. Okay, so I'm gonna start getting some NQ micros here to the upside. I like that I like how it's holding above VWAP. I like how I like how Apple is holding above 195 and above VWAP also. Let's see. I like how it's looking with the Q. I don't love Spy, but it's still holding the VWAP. So we'll see. We'll see. Spy is kind of like choppy. What's going on with Microsoft? Apple is flying. Beautiful 195 hold there. Yeah, that was perfect retest also. That candle Microsoft was kind of big. Not a candle that you want to see, but I think as long as it's holding 401, 400 is bullish. Okay, okay. I like that. That looks beautiful. The 30-minute candle is looking pretty bullish so far. Man, I keep going. We're good. Apple needs to break this high here. We don't want to see it rejecting this high. And I'm gonna start selling here a little bit. Okay, we're good. I like that move. Come on, Apple, just push, push. Come on. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Let's go. How you guys doing so far? Making any money on anything? Let's go. The four runners, I think, are gonna make more money than the entire position. And Q, nice, nice. Okay. I think very good. Very good. I think the Q, as long as it's above that morning high, it's bullish. Go, Meta, go. Microsoft looking tasty. Okay. I love how this 30-minute candle is using previous candle as support, previous high as support. So extremely bullish so far. Thank you, Ron. Yeah. So how high are we gonna go? The market's been going higher and higher and higher non-stop. And we have a bunch of gaps below. Honestly, I'm not even looking IWM because IWM, it's been a little bit iffy. So I know I trade IW in the past few days, but compared to the SPY and the Q and Microsoft and Meta, IWN charts it's a little bit choppy. So I always prefer to go with charts that look very clean. Like trading, I always say this. Trading, you gotta make it simple for you. Like, what do you want to trade? You want to trade something that it's the chart it looks extremely easy and you can easily see the levels, or you want to trade something that is going up and down between levels. You want to go with everything that it's very easy. Make it easy for you. Make it easy for your money. I'm gonna sell one more, holding three. That Q play, this Q play, super happy. That was perfection. You have a break. We enter on the retest, and we're going higher now. We like the thing also, I think it's very important to understand when the market it's easy to trade and then when it's very choppy. Like we had choppy days, and you guys know choppy days are extremely difficult. Most of the time we're gonna lose money, but on days that are very easy, like the levels played out, you gotta go a little bit heavier, or take a little less, not a little bit more heavy, but maybe use the same size, but being a little bit riskier. So just entering your position without thinking it too much, but still with a plan. I'm gonna sell another one because I can see SPY here rejecting also Apple, so we could have a pullback here. The Q is still looking very bullish. I want to lock profits. Yeah, that was perfect break and retest. I want to know something. Like this is for me is very important. The person that I was crying about Microsoft here, are you still holding? Like this is so important. I want to know if you still holding because you were crying for Microsoft going giving you like a week under VWAP and then jumping above. And it was not even near the stop loss. So that if you sold that play, it says a lot about your trading. Damn. What the heck? Okay, I'm selling one more, holding one runner. If SPY holds here, that's extremely bullish and we're gonna keep going higher. Let's see if it's gonna pull back hard or it's gonna hold. I think I should sell everything and then just wait and see if SPY is gonna hold or not. I guess you sold Microsoft because you never answered. Okay, guys, I need more likes. Like we have like 80 people watching here and only 40 likes. We need more likes. This is getting super boring. Mm, thanks. I don't know. I find it a little bit weird. You guys have like on any YouTube video, you're getting like free info. If you catch any good trade, you get free money. And you still don't like the video? Like, why? Yeah. Well, well, that's insane. What a move. What the heck? What was that? What's going on? Okay, I'm all out. I'm happy. Happy with my day. If I see a pullback on SPY and use this level here as support, that will be a perfect entry, but that was, I don't know what was that, so I got to take advantage of that move. And yeah, pretty happy with my day. Obviously, I'm super happy with holding Microsoft and Meta. Very happy with my future trade today. I needed this with futures. I needed this day. Oh, 3,200, 3,200 day. Super happy. 555 on Netflix. I'm not looking to trade any Netflix until maybe tomorrow or the day after. I want the premium to go lower. Not looking for anything on Netflix. I'm gonna be patient there. I know Netflix is gonna give us a beautiful setup after it calms down, pulls back a little bit, maybe consolidate for a few days, maybe one day of consolidation, and give you like a clear setup to play the upside with cheaper premium. And that's it. No need for FOMO. No need for FOMO on Netflix or Nvidia. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Super happy. Yeah, patience. Patience. Pace. That's what I'm talking about. Patience. That was a when you have move like that, you need to take profit. That move was something that is not normal. And again, if you miss it, you just be patient and wait and see if it is a real move and it gives you a clear support or resistance and you play out of that. So it just says spy holds there, right? That would be a perfect entry. Very good entry for like the risk to reward is too good to not take it. Well, not to not take it, but to if you want to take any trade, that's your entry. If you see it holding. So far, you still have one more minute for that candle to close. So I will wait until the candle it until a few seconds the candle is gonna close and see if it is gonna hold that level or not. who, like, I want to know if anybody passed that 1 day pass on evaluation account on Apex. It's like perfect. 80% off and you have 1 day. Like you don't like I don't want you guys to be pushed to pass your account in 1 day. You can take 2 3 days, as many days as you want. It's just you don't need 7 days. At least for the rest of the week. I don't know if next week is gonna be like that, but I know for the rest of the week. Damn, Donnie, you missed everything. Bad day to sleep in. But thank you for being here. Thank you. I appreciate your support. I know you're always here. You are the real one. I have passed over 48 account. But I'm so I have 20. I have 20. But I had 48 PAs in total. So I blew up 28. I blew up 28 because at the beginning I was trading with too many at the same time, and I didn't read how was that the trading style working after you take profits. You can use a VPN, I think, and if you have a American account, like bank account, you'll be fine. How much I average? Oh, so I have made, I think with these the first 3 months on each account, I will say 15K. Yeah, on each account. So the payment, the last payment that I applied for, it was on the 15th. Like for that payment on the 15th, the last payment that I got, and there I passed the 25K per account. So I know at the end of the day when I'm gonna apply again for my payment, the it's gonna be only 90% of the profit because I already passed the 25K per account. And trust me, you're gonna lose your first few PAs, you're gonna lose them. This is like because I've been doing this, I think already for like 4 months since September, October, November. Yeah, 4 months. This is everything that I've learned so far. First of all, do not trade minis with either evaluation or PAs. Do not trade minis unless you have the 300 115 account. But if you're doing Apex with the 25K or 50K, which are the ones that I have and I like, do not trade minis. That's the first rule. Second rule, uh you don't need to pass anything in 1 day. Like take it easy. Don't make any bad habits because I've seen it and I've done it like the first few times. I wanted to pass everything in like 1 day, and then I will go to my PAs and I will do the same thing, and then I will blow up my PAs. So do not go crazy. Pass a PA. You don't need to pass a PA. You need to get paid on your PA. So even if I lose my PA, all the PAs that I lost, I got paid. So and I know I'm gonna keep losing PAs. I know that that's normal. The thing is, you wanna make money because if you get any payment on your PAs, the minimum to get paid is 500, right? So if you, let's just say you have one PA and you get only one $500, you get paid 500, and then you lose it. That's already win. That's already a win because you didn't lose any money. Because even though you pay, let's just say 35 for the evaluation, and then you pay the 105 for the monthly fee, so basically you pay 140, right, for between the evaluation and the PA, and then you pay 140, you make 500, you're still making 350. So that's how I see it. I know there's gonna come more blow ups with my PAs. So what I do is every time we have like Apex have big sales, like the 80 or 90%, I buy mostly 90%, I buy like 20 evaluation accounts. And I have it there, and I trade them until before the 7 days. Like I pass it, like I make all the profits before the 7 day, and then I have it there. And whenever I blew up APA, I just trade with one of those evaluation accounts that I have in the back end, and then immediately goes to PA, and then I have another PA. I will say if you are not able, I will say your first 5 PAs, just pay the monthly, because the monthly is 105, the lifetime is 150, and you're gonna blow those first PAs. So you're saving $45. Until you have a PA for longer than 3 months, do not pay the lifetime fee because you're gonna blow it up. And at the end you're gonna lose money. Mm. So my according to what I've seen and what I have experienced, for me, just trading micros, not thinking about, like, if you trade micros, you don't even need to think about the trailing stop, because micros is slow but steady, wins or lose. You win or lose, but those are wins or losses are small. So it's you're practicing good money management, which is, I think, that is all for that you need to be using the prop firm. You want to trade with prop firm, but you want to trade the right way. You want to trade, and how will you be trading with your money, with your own money? And at the end of the day, you're paying like 40, 30, it depends of how much you're paying per account, but it's like, let's just say you're paying like $40, right? I know it can be easy, like, I'm just gonna play one mini, so maybe I can pass in one day, and if I lose, I lose $30. But at the end, you're gonna be losing more than $30 because you're gonna be buying more than one evaluation account. And then let's just say you pass more than one evaluation account doing that, then you pay for the PA, you're gonna do exactly the same thing with your PA. So at the end of the day, you're gonna lose a lot of money if you don't trade, like, if you don't treat those evaluation accounts how you should be treating them. Think like it's your money that you're losing, not the broker's money. So consistency is key. And if you're trading futures, you only need to watch SPY in the queue. That is also easier. You only need to watch 2 charts. Easy for to find your levels. You just need to be patient and wait for the levels. And Spylon, yeah, I like that. I do like that. Like your stop loss is that little wicks, those little wicks, these little wicks, right? Hmm. But I don't like that 30-minute candle, how it's gonna close on both the SPY and the Q. This 30-minute candle on the Q is, where is it? I don't see it here. Looks like it's gonna be the, where are you? What? Wait, this. This pattern here. This one. Maybe, maybe not, who knows? But I don't love this long wick at the top. And same with Meta. So we'll see. Okay, I did something with the small account. Um, yeah, that was beautiful retest on SPY. Um, and yeah, I'm very happy with my day today. I think I'm done. Done. And as always, thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the ones that talk to me on the chat, because otherwise they will be so boring and it's gonna be the same thing as me trading by myself with no stream. But yeah. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Mañana. Bye.